Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going over a speed ramp effect, and it's very effective in Final Cut Pro. And if you are new to this channel, we talk about all ways that you can improve in post-production in Final Cut Pro. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. And now let's get right on into the video. Okay, so what we're doing here, we're going over this clip right here with Offset and Trippie Red, and we're just gonna go over speed ramping tricks. So what we want to do here first is we want to click on the clip and hit Command and R at the same time to pull up this speed adjustment. And what we're gonna do here is we want to go to about right where he's crossing his hands, and we're gonna press Shift B to split that clip, not completely, but just split the timing of it. We're gonna go down to this first one, this first section right here, and we are going to times that by 8. And as we see, we go back to the front. It's a good speed ramp right there, but we're gonna make it a lot better in just a few seconds. First, speed ramp this other clip. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. Right when his arms get wide, I'm gonna add Shift B, and I'm gonna go times 8 again. And what we're gonna do now is let's just see what this looks like first. Looks pretty cool so far. Now how we're gonna make this better is we're going to go to our titles and grab an adjustment layer. And if you don't have an adjustment layer, you can find one for free, probably on YouTube or Google, but they are out there. So just get an adjustment layer, and once you have that, you are going to add that to wherever you set the speed to 800 at. So hold Option and drag this up to make a duplicate, and just put that one where you sped up the other clip. And now what we're gonna do with these two are we're going to add a directional blur to give it more of a realistic effect and a more realistic speed ramp. I'm gonna boost it up to about 100 right there. Same thing for this one. Add the directional blur. Boost it up to about, go to about 60 for that one. Now let's just see how this looks so far. Looks way better. It's really nice right there. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If this video helps you out in any way, consider liking, consider subscribing, because we will be coming out with a lot more videos just like this and even better. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next time.